हेलो साथीहरु नमस्ते वेलकम अल अफ यु टु माई च्यानल। आजको डिस्कसनमा हामी चाहिँ अब इन्भेन्ट्री इररको बारेमा छलफल गर्नेछौँ साथीहरु। चाहिँ दिस इज एकाउन्टिङ टर्मोलोजिज। अब इन्भेन्ट्री भनेको वान अफ द इम्पोर्टेन्ट कम्पोनेन्ट अफ करेन्ट एसेट्स। इट शुड बी राइटली भ्यालुड फ्रेन्ड्स। इट शुड बी राइटली भ्यालुड भनिसकेपछि तपाईको ओभर स्टेट होस् या अन्डर स्टेट होस्, दिस इज नट गुड फर द कम्पनी। ओके, सो अलवेज गुड टु करेक्ट योर एरर्स बिफोर योर डकुमेन्ट would be public for others friends, yeah, because it will dilute your overall brand, I would say. Now your question ma ke cha bhane simply I assume that if we say that effect of in overstated ending inventory on cost of goods sold, gross profit, net profit, return earning and the total assets here. That means cost of goods sold भनेकै कस्तो छ भने जस्तो ओपनिङ स्टक प्लस नेट पर्चेज भनेको द्याट्स द कस्ट अफ गुड्स एभाइलेबल फर सेल लेस हामीले इन्डिङ इन्भेन्ट्री घटायो भने द्याट विल प्रोभाइड यु कस्ट अफ गुड्स सोल्ड फ्रेन्ड्स। द्याट मिन्स तपाईले यदि बढी डिडक्ट गर्नुभयो भने देन इन द्याट केस कस्ट अफ गुड्स सोल्ड वुड बी अन्डर स्टेटेड एज आई डिस्कस फ्रेन्ड्स। ओके, र यो अन्डरस्टेट भयो भने if you that means sales revenue minus cost of goods sold भनेकै के हो भने gross profit. Okay, so it will be overstated. Naturally your net profit would be overstated. Profit बढ्यो भने return earning पनि overstated. And as I discussed earlier कि your inventory अब भनौं न overstated भयो भने current asset would be higher and that is why your total asset पनि के हुन्छ भने overstated हुन्छ। Okay, now what will happen in the next year? Next year भनेको चाहिँ since your opening यो क्लोजिङ स्टक भनेको that will be the opening in the next year. That is why यो भनेको के हुन्छ भने overstated. That means sales minus cost of goods sold गरे भने if you deduct more then you would have a low gross profit, your net profit. तर के छ भने your return earning and total assets for the next year, that means following year को लागि चाहिँ कुनै किसिमको चेन्ज हुँदैन. That means correctly stated भएको हुन्छ। Okay, now similarly let's discuss about if understatement of ending inventory भयो भने how it would impact the cost of goods sold, net profit, gross profit, net profit, return earning and the total assets. That means तपाईले अब जति डिडक्ट गर्नुपर्ने छ त्यो भन्दा कम डिडक्ट गर्नुभयो भने what will happen? Okay, then in that case if you deduct less, in that case your cost of goods sold would be overstated friends. That means sales revenue minus cost of goods sold भनेको gross profit हो भने it will be naturally understated. Your net profit would be understated, return earning would be understated, र total asset पनि के भइदिन्छ भने understated friends. तर यही ending stock would be the beginning in the next year. That is why यसको just reverse गरिदिनु पर्यो तपाईहरुले चाहिँ। Okay, because opening stock हामी add गर्छौं भने closing stock लाई घटाइरा हुन्छ. That is the basic reason. Okay, so it will be overstated, correctly stated र यो पनि correctly stated. Now let's move to the discussion on the one question एउटा। अब that is all about friends कि I have taken this question from the Narayan Swamy author, that is the financial accounting managerial perspective friends. र यो क्वेशनमा के छ भने profit statement of Sapna company for the 3 years is given to you, right? Then in this case you are given like your net sales, cost of goods sold and anyway net profit is there. Now accountant recently discovered that you found that 2001 ending inventory भनेको was understated by 5,000. Then what is the effect of this error on the company's net profit for the 3 years? Okay, अब तपाईले के विचार गर्नु पर्यो भने understate भन्दाखेरि that ending inventory understate भन्दाखेरि तपाईले कम घटाउनु भयो। When you deduct less from the cost of goods available for sale बाट गरे भने in that case cost of goods sold would be overstated as I discussed this case friends. अब यसले ठ्याक्कै हामीले म्यानेज गर्नलाई के गर्नु पर्यो भने 49,000 बाट 5,000 घटाइदिनु पर्यो। So it would be 44,000. Now when you solve this question, now you would have a corrected net profit would be कति हुन्छ त 20,000 friends. Okay, अब यो ending inventory would be the beginning in the next year भयो भने अब यहाँ जे गर्नुभयो त्यसको जस्ट रिभर्स हुन्छ फेरि। लुक एट दिस, अब यहाँ चाहिँ अन्डरस्टेट भइदिन्छ फलोइङ इयरमा। That is why ending inventory, because next year it would be the opening inventory. Now this will be 51,000 plus 5,000 गर्नु पर्यो. So you would have a new value would be 15,000. तर 2003 मा चाहिँ there will be no any impact friends. कुनै किसिमको चेन्ज चाहिँ हुँदैन। यदि कुनै किसिमको एरर 2002 मा भएको भए देयर विल बी इफेक्ट अदरवाइज हामीले एज इट इज के गरिदिनु पर्यो भने कपी एन्ड पेस्ट गरिदिनु पर्यो या यु जस्ट राइट इट and you have to justify your answer since any error committed in 2001 will affect in 2002 no effect in 2020 2003 friends आजको डिस्कसनमा हामीले फ्रेन्ड्स के गर्यो भने वी डिस्कस अबाउट द इन्भेन्ट्री एरर र इन्भेन्ट्री एरर भनिसकेपछि इट शुड बी करेक्टेड सो दैट यू कुड राइटली show the picture to the your overall stakeholder या investors we are not entitled to flow the wrong information friends यदि जानी जानी गर्नुभयो भने त्यो विन्डो ड्रेसिङ भन्छौँ manipulating accounting information and that comes under the fraud case so we could correct our accounting information this way र आजको डिस्कसनलाई म यतिकै कन्क्लुड गरे साथीहरु चाहिँ र तपाईलाई राम्रो लागेको छ भने प्लिज लाइक सब्स्क्राइब एन्ड अल्सो शेयर माई च्यानल दैट इज द फाइनेन्स गुरु पवन कुमार झा थ्यांक यू अल अफ यू फर वाचिङ दिस भिडियो फ्रेन्ड्स थ्यांक यू